What's up, YouTube? That's right, today we are going to be talking about our Tacoma and doing a little upgrades and trying to get these emblems blacked out. So, this is a 2025 SR5 4x4 Tacoma, obviously, and it's got the chrome emblems, and we want to go ahead and black that out just to show you guys real quick what we're working with. So I got my kit right here. Now this is for the SR5 obviously, but I'm thinking about going ahead and taking that SR5 off. Got the 4x4 here for the back of the tailgate and the Tacomas for the side. Now I don't have one for the logo in the front just yet. For some reason it doesn't come with that on this kit, but we're gonna go ahead and black these out. This, I'm thinking about taking off. I got mixed opinions about letting everybody know I got an SR5 because it doesn't look like an SR5 until you look at the grill. And that's where I have a mixed opinion. I'm thinking about going ahead and change this grill out, put a off-road grill in there, and so, but I think the logo still stays the same size, but there's no sense of going ahead and upgrade that. But when you do black out the logo, you don't really see it. And I want everybody to know that, hey, this is Toyota. So I'm not sure right there what I want to do on that. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wipe down all of these decals. We're going to wipe down all of the emblems. We're going to do the overlay kit. Now I wanted a glossy black, but the only thing they have out there is a matte black. So we'll go ahead and do that. You can buy these kits with Toyota. They're about $125. I've got these on Amazon. I'll go ahead and tag the link below. That way you can buy some if you want to try them out. Now, speaking about old Jeep over there, Jeep came with the black logos just to show you guys, and I'm not sure why Toyota's not doing this, but these came with glossy black Jeep logo. They got rid of the Jeep emblem on the front that used to be there. But yeah, I mean, why can't Toyota do the same thing? I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to knock this out real quick and be right back. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and put the overlay on the SR5. Let me know what you think. What's your opinions? I'm not sure on this kit. It just, I don't know. Maybe I was expecting something else. You know how when you go eat at a restaurant and you're like anticipating this food that you had a while back was so good, and then when you get it, it's just like, meh, right? Anyway, check it out. All right, first look, not bad. Looks stock when you get up close to it. Now, the only thing is, when you see this, you know, they don't have the cutouts in there for the A's. I'm not sure if that's how it is on the overlay kit. Never really paid attention to it. Went ahead, put the SR5 on there just because I don't want to go ahead and take it off just yet, because maybe I need to let everybody know. Speaking about these old painted pinstripes, I've been thinking about go ahead, and they have this oven cleaner that you can spray on them to take them off. But right now it's really not bothering me. Anyway, let's get back to it. We got the old 4x4 on there. Everything's looking good. Now it says that these kits won't show any chrome, but if you actually peek back here in the corner on this one, you can actually see the chrome. Not from the distance, but it does stick out just a little bit. Anyway, same thing on the SR5. You can see a little bit of coverage back there. Trying to get it with the camera, but you have to really be looking for it. I'm not sure how long these are going to last, but on the Tacomas, they hide very well. You can't see any chrome whatsoever. So anyway, back to the grill. Now, this is the only thing that's chrome on the truck, is that Tacoma logo, which I should have broke off and just paid the $20 to get that logo for the front. For now, I think that's what we're going to end up doing. What y'all's opinions on this? How you think it looks? Did it change anything? Should I just strip the logos, the emblems? Should I, you know, anyway, just to let you guys know, we do have spacers. We haven't put them on yet. Not wanting to put them on just yet, because I want to go ahead and put the leveling kit on there and get this bad boy leveled. Because right now, as you can see, the front is nosedive, and this truck's not going to be doing any pulling, so let's go ahead and level it up. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As of right now, this is where we're at, and she is starting to look good. I hope my son really likes it. So if you guys have been watching this video to the end, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell off to the side for all the new videos coming at you. We're fixing to be talking about the TRX on my son's truck and some of the upgrades that he did. So make sure you hit that notification so you can see the next video coming up. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.